Traveling light doesn't mean leaving your tech behind. In fact, the right tiny travel gadgets can make your trips smoother, smarter, and way less stressful. In this video, we're checking out 17 compact travel tech essentials that are small enough to fit in your pocket, but powerful enough to solve real problems on the road. From clever charging solutions to smart accessories you didn't know you needed. These gadgets are perfect for frequent flyers, digital nomads, and weekend travelers alike. Once you see these, you'll wonder how you ever traveled without them. Magnetic Wireless Charger. The KUXIU Magnetic Wireless Charger is a premium tiny travel tech gadget priced at $79, built for Apple users who want speed and portability. With Next-Gen QI 2.2 certification, it delivers up to 25 watts fast wireless charging, powering an iPhone 17 Pro to 56% in minutes. Its 3-in-1 design charges iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously. Foldable, lightweight, and crafted from CNC aluminum, it's perfect for travel and everyday carry. Aulumu Magnetic Ring Grip. The Aulumu Magnetic Ring Grip is a smart, tiny travel tech gadget priced at $45, designed for flexibility and strength. Its dual-axis design with a smooth 360-degree ball joint delivers unlimited viewing angles for streaming, calls, or scrolling. Military-grade holdback magnets lock securely onto metal surfaces, while the aerospace-grade aluminum build keeps it lightweight yet durable. With a modular ring system, glow-in-the-dark option, and ultra-thin profile, it's perfect for travel, daily use, and hands-free convenience anywhere. Compass Flashlight. The Compass Flashlight is a clever tiny travel tech gadget blending navigation and illumination in one rugged EDC tool. Built with a precision compass and multi-mode flashlight, including white, red, and UV light, it's designed to keep you oriented and visible outdoors. The titanium alloy body is lightweight, compact, and IPX6 waterproof, making it ideal for travel, hiking, or emergencies. Its unique combination of useful features gives you reliable function in a pocket-friendly size. DockCase Pocket SSD. The DockCase Pocket SSD is a smart, tiny travel tech gadget priced at $40, built for users who care about data safety on the go. Its HD display shows SSD health, lifespan, power on times, and capacity in real time. Features like read-only mode, live transfer readouts, and hot swap support add serious reliability. With 3-second power loss protection to prevent data loss, it's a compact, travel-friendly SSD enclosure that delivers peace of mind and professional level performance anywhere. Travel Adapter. The travel adapter from this Kickstarter is a standout tiny travel tech gadget that combines global versatility with smart safety tech. It delivers up to 100 watts GaN fast charging in an ultra-compact body that works in 200+ countries and features built-in voltage indicators, so you can instantly see local power standards before plugging in. With multiple USB-C, USB-A, and AC ports plus dual safety fuses, it's a powerful, reliable travel companion for powering up on the go. SOOMFON Airplane Bluetooth Adapter. The SOOMFON Airplane Bluetooth Adapter is a handy tiny travel tech gadget priced at just $20, perfect for wireless audio on the go. Its 2-in-1 TX/RX modes let you connect Bluetooth headphones to airplane screens or stream music to wired speakers. The LCD display makes pairing simple, while Bluetooth 5.3 ensures stable, low latency sound with dual pairing support. Compact, fast charging via USB-C, and offering up to 13 hours of battery life, it's a must-pack travel essential. PWRMobile 5-in-1 Power Bank. The PWRMobile 5-in-1 Power Bank is a premium tiny travel tech gadget priced at $90, designed for maximum charging convenience. Its 10,000 mAh battery powers multiple devices with built-in cables, 15-watt wireless charging, and USB-C, Lightning, and USB-A outputs. You can charge up to 3 devices at once, while 20-watt USB-C-PD fast charging delivers quick top-ups on the go. Compact and travel-ready, it eliminates cable clutter and keeps all your essentials powered anywhere. TP-Link Travel Router. The TP-Link Travel Router is a powerful tiny travel tech gadget priced at $73, delivering AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 speeds in a pocket-sized design. With dual-band performance, multi-gigabit ports, and support for up to 80 devices, it's perfect for hotels, RVs, or remote work. Multiple modes, VPN encryption, and one-tap captive portal login keep you secure on public Wi-Fi. USB-C powered and ultra-portable, it's a serious connectivity upgrade for travelers. NTONPOWER Travel Power Strip. The NTONPOWER Travel Power Strip is a compact, tiny travel tech gadget priced at $18, perfect for keeping devices charged on the go. Its 7-in-1 design offers 4 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, including 20-watt PD fast charging via USB-C. Ultra-thin with a flat plug and 4 feet retractable cord, it easily fits in luggage or backpacks. Cruise-approved and travel-ready, this power strip is ideal for vacations, hotels, and remote work, making device management simple and convenient. Miroddi Keychain Tracker. The Miroddi Keychain Tracker is a handy tiny travel tech gadget priced at $22, designed to keep your essentials secure. Works seamlessly with Apple's Find My app to locate keys within 50 meters / 160 feet while sending notifications if they go out of range. Made from durable zinc alloy with IP67 waterproofing, it features 2 separate key rings and a built-in bottle opener. Rechargeable via USB-C with up to 4 months battery life, it's perfect for travel and everyday use. Atlas. The Atlas Smart 5-in-1. MagSafe Wallet is an innovative tiny travel tech gadget, around $79 to $99 that reinvents everyday carry. It blends a slim MagSafe wallet with wireless charging, built-in Apple Find My tracking, and a phone stand, while still holding up to 6 cards securely. The integrated 15-watt Qi, charging and tracking battery, rechargeable by USB-C, give real convenience for travelers and on-the-go users. Stylish, modular, and multifunctional, it simplifies tech and essentials into one sleek package. Alex T1. The Alex T1 is a standout tiny travel tech gadget, a minimalist tech pouch and organizer designed to streamline your gear with 30+ pockets and a clever wavy divider system that adapts to cables, chargers, cameras, and even an iPad mini. Compact yet spacious, it doubles as a 3-liter sling bag or desk organizer, making it ideal for travel, commute, or everyday carry. Durable materials and thoughtful layout keep tech tidy and accessible on the go. Aircharge Keyring. The Aircharge Keyring is a clever tiny travel tech gadget that turns your keychain into a wireless charging tool for smartphones and accessories. On Kickstarter, it aimed to bring a world-first wireless power concept to life by letting you plug in and charge devices wirelessly on any Qi-enabled charger. No extra cables needed. Lightweight and sleek, it's ideal for travel or daily carry, offering practical convenience and premium feel in a pocket-friendly form. Universal Travel Adapter. The Universal Travel Adapter is a versatile tiny travel tech gadget priced at $59, designed for globetrotters who need reliable power anywhere. With 100-watt GAN fast charging, it powers up to 6 devices simultaneously through USB-C, USB-A, and AC outlets. Covering 180+ countries with 4 common plug types, it's compatible with phones, tablets, cameras, and more. Smart chips protect your devices, ensuring safe fast charging. Compact and travel-ready, it's a must-have for international adventures. Multi-USB Charging Adapter. The Multi-USB Charging Adapter is an affordable tiny travel tech gadget priced at just $7, offering versatile charging for all your devices. The kit includes a 12-inch USB-C cable and adapters for USB-A, micro USB, and iOS devices, supporting up to 60 watts fast charging. It also doubles as a SIM card holder and phone stand, making it perfect for travel. Durable, compact, and multifunctional, it's a convenient all-in-one solution for keeping devices powered and organized on the go. HICOBER 3-in-1 Charging Station. The HICOBER 3-in-1 charging station is a sleek, tiny travel tech gadget priced at $23, designed to power your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously. Its high-efficiency coils deliver fast, stable wireless charging, while smart power distribution prevents overheating. Lightweight and foldable, it's perfect for travel, commuting, or hotel stays. Case-friendly and angled for nightstand mode, it keeps devices visible and organized. With built-in safety features and non-slip pads, it's a compact, clutter-free solution for everyday charging. Hidden Camera and Bug Detector. The Hidden Camera and Bug Detector is a compact, tiny travel tech gadget priced at $40, designed to keep you safe and secure on the go. The Doremi DA01 detects hidden cameras, trackers, and wireless signals, giving peace of mind during hotel stays or travel. It also doubles as a personal alarm with SOS signal light and flashlight. Lightweight, portable, and discreet, it easily attaches to keys or bags, making it an essential travel safety tool for women, teens, and frequent travelers.